So after that, I
honestly.
think no looking back. I think then again a turning
Then
point.
Nennila happened, and then after that I sang Rendu Kallu. Then there was also Vinnane, Vinnane, Kopanga, Kopanga. All of them were with Thaman sir.
Yes.
And then magically I sang this song called Butta Bomma.
That was a turning point. How you
That
got
was
that
a
plan?
massive, like, I think all these other songs were definitely hits, but this became like a chart buster.
Yes.
Like, it became something that
International, actually, I must say now.
even today, if you see, there's obviously a lot of hit songs in the Telugu industry, but the most viewed song and most streamed song is Butta Bomma.
Yes.
And it's that's not something that you can ever predict, because that even that movie became a massive hit. And I think it was just one movie before Allu sir's Pushpa as well.
Yes, yes.
If I'm not wrong.
Yeah.
So the overall, the kind of pop culture moment that became with Ala Vaikuntapuramlu, and also all the songs. Butta Bomma was actually released last from the album. So not a lot of expectations were there for it to
Okay.
become such a big hit.
So
Because
you didn't thought it will be such a big,
honestly,
like,
I just sang it as I sing all my songs.
Yes.
And we never have this thing ki haan, ye gana to super hit banega.
yeah, all kids are same.
I mean, all of us,
Yeah.
all of us are like, very in the dark about things. We don't know what's going to hit. And Ala Vaikuntapuramlu's first Gana came Samajavaragama,
Yes.
which became a massive hit.
Massive hit.
Then there was Ramulo Ramula. And then I think it was the title song. And then Butta Bomma got released 2 days before the audio launch. And when I sang it on stage, it was obviously, people loved it, but it was not a rage by then. Cut to 3 months later, and you see everyone doing reels on it, and like
yes, yes. Even internationally.
Internationally, then there was David
different
Warner.
languages,
David
culture,
Warner, who was
yeah.
a cricketer for Sunrisers
Yes.
Hyderabad. He with his family did Butta Bomma
Butta
step.
Bomma.
Shilpa Shetty did
Yeah.
the step, and then everyone,
kids
slowly.
are eating their food after only watching your
Yeah, there's
song.
a viral video where parents are
Kids,
saying ki my kid will not eat food until I put Butta Bomma.
Yes.
So it's I mean, honestly, I feel like the one reason I could point out why it became a big hit is a very happy song. It makes you very happy internally,
Yes,
wanting
yes.
to dance, wanting to have fun. And I think the more, there's so much sadness in our world and life.
Yes,
and
yes.
Overall, so when a song like this comes by, you forget all your problems. So I
true.
think that's why Butta Bomma
So
became
Allu
big.
Arjun sir gave you any compliments, or you met him, or like he was like a
We
moment
met,
you can.
the first time we met was on the audio launch. And at that time it was, there was a lot of people. So obviously we didn't get to chat a lot. But we spent a lot of time, when we did a song called Memu Agamu for Coke Studio.
Okay.
That's when we actually spent a lot of time. We were in Bangkok shooting it
Okay,
together.
huh.
Me, Allu sir, and there was also Tribe, a K-pop group. We had all come together and put out this song, which again is now, I think it's crossed 100 million on YouTube. Again, massive song. And that was a mixture of like Hindi meets Telugu and English
Yes,
as
yes.
well.
Ah.
So that time we got to spend a lot of time, and he told me this one thing, that his favorite part of the song is that Rajula Kalam
Yes,
Kadu Radmu Gurram Levu. That's his favorite part of the song.
Okay.
That's what he revealed to me. I never knew that before.
Okay.
And I told him my favorite is Yetaga.
So you were sharing your exchange of songs,
Exactly.
which you love,
Yeah, we were having a fun time on sets, and we got to talk a lot about how Hindi, Telugu music all is evolving, and he's always been very. He himself is known as the stylish star, but I remember once when I was there for a SIMA Awards, and I had worn this white blazer with a heart pin on me, and he complimented me on that.
Oh,
So he was like,
okay.
very stylish
Very
looking.
stylish.
I was like, stylish star is telling me I'm looking stylish. That's enough for me. That's the biggest compliment for me.
But Arman, I must congratulate you as you got engaged, and we'll see. Oh, married man, I think I don't know how many girls will have a like, oh my God, Arman. There were so
I
many
think-
videos coming. Arman Malik is getting married, or he's got
I
engaged.
think now most of them have made that peace. Initially, yeah, obviously there were a lot of, female fans.
But
who-
I wanted to know, because
Yeah.
your songs, there's a feel of it. I don't know how many people have proposed using your songs. How
Yeah.
you proposed, or I wanted to know.
I also composed a song. There was a song called Kasam Se,
Okay.
which my brother Kunal Verma, the writer, and we made together, and that's how I proposed to Ashna. I mean, an original song
Okay.
which I sang, and I think it's for me, if I'm a singer and I don't use my voice,
Okay,
then
so
that's
you
a
prepared
waste
with
of
a
my
song.
superpower. Oh.
So what was that song?
It was a song called Kasam Se.
Okay.
Kasam Se means, Kasam means promise.
Yeah, promise. Yeah.
So, I wanted to base it around that thought that, I promised to, be there for you and love you for,
a little bit.
for
I want to
eternity.
know where you met and small love story. If you can just
I
reveal.
mean, I've not revealed much online, and obviously I've been very, very like super personal about it. But yeah, I mean, it's beautiful. It's been almost more than 6 years now that we've been dating, and I'm glad that I got to propose to her in our favorite city, London.
Okay.
And I sang an original song for her. So yeah, it's really special, these moments. And as a as someone who is in the limelight, we don't get a lot of time to focus on our personal life and make sure that we are happy as human beings. So I'm really glad that I have a partner like Ashra in my life, and I'm glad that while being busy professionally, I'm able to carve out time and make sure that my personal life is thriving as
that's
well.
more
That's very
important.
important to have a whole-rounded approach, balance.
So what are your future projects we are waiting for? Telugu big projects.
Lots of projects, lot of songs that I've sung, but obviously I can't reveal them at this point. The directors and producers will kill me if I revealed anything.
Okay.
But yeah, lots of amazing
Something on
songs.
Pushpa, something is coming out of it.
I mean, I have not sung anything yet, but I mean, if DSP sir is seeing this, I'm ready. More than happy. Allu sir is my favorite. So,
Okay.
and obviously DSP sir is also one of the best composers we have in India. So I would love to sing something for them. It's not happened so far, but hopefully.
Because you're time constrained, I wanted to spend more time with you, and as your team is going to giving me a
Yeah.
hand, so I just want to end up by just last question.
Yeah.
3 situations, your favorite song.
Okay.
Happy.
Buttabama.
Sing. Come on.
బుట్టబొమ్మ నన్ను చుట్టుకుంటివే జిందగీకే అట్టబొమ్మై జంట కట్టుకుంటివే
Romantic date.
Romantic date. All I do is think about you. सब मिल गया जब से मिला तू क्या होता मेरा जो ना होता मेरे साथ तू So all I do is think about you.
A song for your mother. I love you. I love your mother.
Song for my mom. I think her biggest, favorite song of mine is मैं रहूं या ना
sweet.
रहूं तुम मुझ में कहीं बाकी रहना बस इतना है तुमसे कहना बस इतना है तुमसे कहना
End for your fans. Here we gonna end.
मैं जो जी रहा हूँ वजह तुम
Wow.
हो। Thank
That's great. Thank you, everyone, talking to us, because a lot of appointments are there. I can't take much time, but I can take it.
Of course.
My questions will be endless for you. But thank you so much.
Thank
Enjoy
you,
your day.
thank you,
And
thanks
just
for
want to know from Hyderabad what you're taking for your girlfriend. She's
What-
not my.
No, she's here. She's here with me, my fiance.
Okay,
Ashna.
so doing any shopping for Hyderabad?
Shopping, I
Taking
don't know,
her?
but we may go out to eat some Andhra food maybe.
Take some bangles for.
Yeah, okay.
And first,
Suggestions have already come in.
Chalo, thank you so much. It was really fun interaction with Arbal Malik. For more updates, keep watching IDM. Till then, goodbye.